those 5 points.
The Office of the Research Officer District, along with local research stations and laboratories, hosted a celebration for World Soil Day 2024 in the East Khasi Hills. Addressing the event, Director of Agriculture J.C. Lingdo emphasized the importance of soil testing from multiple perspectives. She encouraged farmers to adopt biofertilizers to rejuvenate the soil and reduce the use of chemical fertilizers, which harm both human health and soil quality. During the event, the soil health card and a pamphlet on soil sampling were launched and distributed to local farmers to promote sustainable agricultural practices.
Benya bagi na ringin da sumar bahaya ka kandau mau kani ka kapdeng jongkanika subject pleng jongkanika jing rakhi ye kani ke la bon snam phila tips pangani soil testing la bon snam ki officer ki staff jongkani ka office ki la wan shekishnong ki jongpi ban lummi ki khandau ban test ki khandau ki jongpi khlang ban test ki khandau ban ki la ju ai ye kani ki soil health cards man usnam ban batai ye phi kumno ban ai ye ban ai sbo kumno ban principal ye ka khandau jongpi